I want stories, dude. I want the storyline, Guti. I can't just give you bullet points. All right, now who are these for? What's going on, Mike of VA Trading? Today we have assorted THF power tool lots. Now I'm gonna talk to you about these, show you the merchandise, and tell you who it's for. So these are fully manifested lots and loads. They're available by the 5-pallet load and the full truckload. Priced at a percentage of retail, and they ship from right here or the distribution center north of Los Angeles. So the mix per load will vary, and you can find things like miter saws, drills, generators, pressure washers, the list goes on. You got some that are very assorted, and you got some just like this that are pure gas loads. This one heavy, if not all, in generators. Let's take a look at them. All right, who are these for? Resellers that know about tools, can repair them, and know their value. All right, don't be discouraged. Knowledge comes from different places. You either know all about tools based on your experience, or there's this wonderful thing called Google. So Google it. Now, what do these customers resell? Retail, flea markets, online sales apps, wholesales, and auctioneers. All right, now to recap. These are assorted THF power tool lots. They are fully manifested in customer return condition and priced at a percentage of retail. You can get 5-pallet lots directly from a warehouse here, or full truckloads directly from a distribution center just a little bit north of Los Angeles. Make sure to like this video, comment below, subscribe, click that notification bell so the next time we give you a video, you know it's on. I'm Mike of VA Trading. See you next time. Peace.